Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset iPhone 14. So what you're going to do is open up the settings on your iPhone 14. Now scroll down and find the general option. Tap on the general option. Now again you need to scroll down till the bottom and you can see one of the options as transfer or reset iPhone option. Tap on that one. Now again at the bottom you can see two options to reset it, and the second option, erase all content and settings. So erase all content and settings is the factory reset option. You need to tap on that one. Okay, now you can see it will erase this iPhone. Okay, it will basically it will remove everything from your phone and it will be just like a new phone that you get from the Apple store. Okay, now you can click on continue and follow the rest of the process in order to factory reset the iPhone 14. So it will take a bit of time and then it will restart, and then you can simply set it up as a new phone. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.